We are here at the NEC for Automechanika Birmingham. The biggest trade show for the UK aftermarket has descended on the city with hundreds of exhibitors, people from training suppliers, parts, tools, even gloves, all here to show off their wares and goods to technicians, garage owners, people in the business, vehicle suppliers, you name it. And Auto Repair Focus is going to be here for all 3 days. We'll be bringing you a daily roundup, and we'll be making sure to cover the latest news and all the goings on to make sure that you don't miss out. That's of course if you're not here already. So welcome to Automechanika Birmingham. One of the good things about Automechanika Birmingham is that garages can see product on stands and in various different forms. For example, here, the remanufacturing showcase. Remanufacturing is important for the industry, taking an older product, a broken product, and re-engineering it, replacing components, including those that may not be broken, but could be worn or wearing, and removing them and putting new durable parts in. It provides a great cost-effective solution for your customers, and here at the show there's a few showcases, a few examples of what you could expect. For example, Autocraft have bought 2 different powertrains, an old one in a state and a new one in what they can do with that. And then if you follow me around here to one of the most important areas of remanufacturing, rotating electrics, an area that is very hard wearing, wear and tear. Now Auto Electro have bought starter motors and alternators, again a decrepit and dilapidated state through to brand new. Same product, same age, but remanufactured. And you can see more of stuff like this at Automechanika Birmingham. Now. We're all right now. It's amazing who you can bump into at this show. For example, former Stig, Ben Collins, on the BG product stand. Ben, what do you think of Automechanika Birmingham so far? Are you here for all 3 days? It's probably a bit tired, we'll come back later. No, we've not left the show. We're actually in a portable finishing centre, which is set up in the garage quarter. But that is actually our lot for today. So thanks for joining us on Auto Repair Focus, our day 1 Automechanika review. And we'll be back tomorrow, so make sure you tune in.